Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly add straight horizontal line using only a keyboard in Microsoft Word for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software on your Raspberry computer and say I have one sentence here, right? So in order to add a straight horizontal line, most probably what we used to do, we keep on tapping the dash just like this, right? So it's not a quick method, so it's very lengthy method, right? So in order to quickly add a straight horizontal line, what you need to do is just press the dash 3 times. After pressing the dash for 3 times, just hit enter. Voila. Now you can see here the straight horizontal line has been added. So it's much quicker, is not it, right? So you can do the same thing. Say I want to add here a straight horizontal line. So you can do the same thing again. Just keep pressing the dash key on your computer keyboard 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And after that, just hit enter. Voila. So it's not it, very easy, right? So by using this cool tricks, you can quickly add straight horizontal line using only a keyboard in Microsoft Word for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.